What's up, y'all? JSB, and I'm back again with a new video for y'all. And today's video, I finally get to work on something for myself.
It's about damn time.
I'm usually doing stuff for other people, and I don't got time for myself. But today, I got time. Last time I did something for myself was this Heat jersey I got on, and I think it's time to do another thing. Not a jersey, but some shoes. I haven't done some shoes for myself in a minute. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'll be working on these all white mid-top Jordan ones. I kind of took the swoosh off to work on another custom. So I'm just gonna freestyle on these, man. I'm thinking of doing like a little tie-dye type of thing. Don't really know yet. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, just kind of see where it goes. And hopefully this comes out fire, man. Make time for yourself, man. And that's what I'm doing today. So let's get into that. Cut out 4 pieces by this little bucket. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip the back piece in the 2 and dip the toes in the 2. Toe, back. Hopefully I don't f this up. Let's get it. Oops. Yeah. 2 things. My mistakes were, number 1, the bucket was way too small, and number 2, off camera, the paper kind of got wet when I was filling up the bucket because I had it too close to the bucket on the floor. So the paper got wet and the bucket was too small. Those are my 2 mistakes. That's why it came out like this. But yeah, let's get back into the video, man. Oh, wow. Damn! I missed that spot right there. This paper didn't get wet beforehand, so this one should come out much better. See, this is how it's supposed to be. I was supposed to be able to just drip it in like this, keep it nice and even. Problem was my other paper got wet because I choked.
Reggie Miller giving the choke sign.
Oh no. See, y'all don't know nothing about this. This is my mom's famous banana bread. Fire! But one thing y'all do know about is this. Boom. Hydro dip these, right? This came out good, you know, a couple missing spots, you know what I mean? A couple stuff I gotta fix up. You know, this one came out nice, right? Just gotta do a couple touch-ups, nothing too crazy. But on the other hand, this bad boy.
Oh my God.
This is a whole beast in itself. I gotta fix this. You know, like the GOAT Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents or happy mistakes or whatever he said.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
I told y'all I was gonna show y'all the good, the bad, the ugly. This, no doubt, is ugly. I mean, from far away, it's like, oh my God! Wow! And then, you know, close up, it's like,
Hey yo, what the f?
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint around it. I'm gonna make it look like it's not throw up. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and I started painting up the patches that were kind of f***ed up. So now we have a more tie-dye looking joint right here. We turn our mistakes into non-mistakes over here. So we got a fully hydro dip shoe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the shoe. Do the tongue, do the back piece with some color shift, add some different fabric. I want these to look crazy. So time to make them look crazy. Let's go. Checking out today's video on these Jordan 1s I did for myself, man. Remember, man, when you make mistakes, never give up. If I would have gave up, these would have never came out how they came out. You know, part of art is making mistakes, man. And part of creativity is finding ways to make that mistake work. I look at these shoes like a metaphor, man. Through life, you're gonna make mistakes. And through mistakes, you learn how to grow. Hallelujah! These taught me a lot. You know, so now I know how to hydro dip, and now I know that, you know, I can do some creative things even when I mess up if I hydro dip. So, you know, that's the cool part about art, man. It teaches you a lot. It's like a metaphor for life, like I said, man, and it's a blast. But once again, thanks for checking out today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.